Here we have a 2017 VariStar Destoner. In really excellent condition. This machine comprises of a first web, 7 rows of adjustable stars, a rear web and a hydraulic dual direction scrubber web. This machine comes with stone box, automatic levelling and some other options. Here's the stone box, which has a rake mechanism. It's a configuration of the machine. The machine features a hook hitch, which is in great condition, and comes with a standard drawbar. This machine can be fitted with a hydraulic shock drawbar as well. The machine has linear depth sensing, which compensates with the rear of the machine. So when the rear of the machine lifts up, the shear drops down to the preset depth. There's no rotor at the front of this machine. We call this an open front system, so the machine can handle downhill slopes and uphill very well. The discs at the side of the machine, these intake discs, are pressurised and they're operated hydraulically and individually. The first web is a 37mm web, but that can be changed for any size. This multi-shear can also be changed for a full blade shear, if that's what's required. The stars are in really good condition. So the front shaft doesn't move. The second to the last row of shafts come in and close the gap when the stars have worn out, and they can be opened just depending on the conditions. The hydraulic dual direction scrubber web can go in either direction, and the speed can be changed along with the height of the front of the web. There's also pressure rollers inside the web to apply more pressure in cloudy conditions. This machine has extra high lift rams, and there's 2 hold positions for extra height. The machine's currently in the top position. This machine comes with work lights, which are activated from the tractor cab on the control box. The wheel size at the moment is 375 R20s. A nice wider tyre and quite long. This can also be changed for a 340 R24. So a narrower tyre and a little bit higher. The levelling axle below, and the steering radius is 34 degrees. LED lights, and the cross conveyor also in good condition. There's not much wear on the rear web or any of the sprockets. This machine comes with transport soft drive, so when it's working you shut the oil off there, and when it's on road transport it just acts as a bit of a shock absorber. The discs can also be pressurised here so that they follow the contour of the ground. All the wearing parts are in really good condition, such as down here, and this hockey stick part has another couple of seasons depending on the acreage. This is the control box for the machine. So this is our latest control box, and any updates can just be made by USB on the side of the machine. This is colour screen and available in any language. We use Gates polychain belts throughout the machine, which are really strong belts. And then we have the hydraulic tensioner on there as well. So as the shafts open and close, there's more or less tension put onto the belts. This is a stone box mechanism, so it's very simple and effective. There's grease banks dotted throughout the machine, just so that any awkward bearings don't get forgotten about. On the other side, much the same. We use all standard bearings, which are easy to get hold of. That's the hydraulic bank there, and the controller. And this is the levelling sensor there. So overall, a really simple machine. This machine can go to a width of 1.5 metres up until 2 metres for the wheel track width. So centre to centre of the wheels, and the machine working width is 1540. If you would like any more information on this machine, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. If you do want to arrange a viewing, then that would be no problem either, or a demonstration.